Yo, what is good everybody? ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG display opening. And yeah guys, today we are going to open this little beauty right here. Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game, Battle of Legends, Monstrous Revenge. What's new about this? This is a reprint set, first of all. But it's a 25 anniversary edition reprint. So, which means we got here, let's see, 24 booster packs. And in each booster pack, you can find 5 foiled cards, which means you have 4 ultra rares and 1 secret rare, basically. But due to the case that this set is a 25th anniversary edition, you can also find the 25th anniversary Starlight Rare edition with the 25th anniversary logo printed slightly in the background. So I hope we have some luck in this one. The prices, I don't know. We have to check now on Card Market. We will see how the prices are. I think the fact that this is a reprint set, a lot of cards are already on the market, but I don't think the prices were too crazy high. So, but I don't know. Let's just see, and then we will do our math then together. All right, good. With that said, guys, let's check out Card Market and let's see what the prices of these cards are. All right, guys, here we are on Card Market. As usual, everything is pre-selected, so let's go check out the prices. All right, what we got here? Yeah, like I thought, all the 25 anniversary Starlight Rares are on top, notches. All right, let's see how many they have. All right, are you working? All right, okay, not that many. Yeah, because they have also a lot of secret rares and a ton of ultra rares, believe me. So, all right, let's go see what's here. What we got? The most expensive card is the Bestial Lubellion. All right, starting from 183 bucks. Then we got IP Masquerina, also a card displayed in a lot of decks. All right, then we got Sky Striker Mobilize. We got here. Ooh, the prices are average, not that crazy high as I thought, but it's okay. It's okay. The fact that this set is pretty expensive, but you have the chance to pull a lot of good cards. But like I said, these are all 25 anniversary Starlight Rares. This is crazy, guys. Look how much there are in this set, and the pull rates are, you know Konami. The pull rates are not that great, guys. All right, what we got here? Secret rare. Yeah, no, ooh, Zeus. I love Zeus. This card is way too powerful. But Sky Striker. All right, Right of Aramezir. Excuse me, Aramezir. Yeah, if you play your Ritual Aramezir deck, this is the card to go. But yeah, a lot of secret rares. Yeah, imagine you have 24 packs in this set, in one display, and in each pack is a secret rare. So yeah, the secret rare prices are pretty down. Yep. Not that sparkling and shining. Alright guys, pretty average here, so I think nothing special. I would say let's not waste too many time on talking about the prizes here, because in the past you have seen my luck is not that hitting pretty good, but hey, I take what I can get. I'm not complaining, but let's see how this display opening goes. See you in a minute. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said guys, let's jump into opening. Right guys, here we are. This is the box. Let's take our pet knife. Real quick, open this beauty up and let's see what we can find in here. I'm excited guys, I'm excited. Because you can pull here a lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff, I can tell. But whee, this is the smell. Fresh printed cards. Oh. Alright, here we go. Let's open. Let's start right up. First pack of this box. Here we go. I have to mention here real quick, you can also do on Yu-Gi-Oh trading card games the card trick for counting. Here in this set, the card trick is about 2 cards, I think. Yes, let's do this. All right, here we go. Like I said, 5 cards in each booster box. Boosted packs, excuse me, and 4 of them are ultra rares, and 1 of them can be a secret. It is a secret rare for sure, and the other one you have the possibility to pull the 25th anniversary Starlight rare. Okay, all right. Here we go. Let's go. Terra. What? No. Fucked up the card trick. Oh come on, there are. Yep. No. Jesus. What? 2. They told me it was 2 in the front. They've changed that? Oh, come on, guys. They've changed that. Oh, jeez. Okay, I will say let's. 1, 2. I've done it right. The first 2. Hold on. Wait a minute. This was like this. Yeah. All right. Like I said, 4 ultra rares in here, and this is the 1 secret rare. First secret rare, terraforming. All right, here we go. All right, guys. I think I will leave the card trick on this time, but let's see how the other packs goes, because I thought I've done it right. Yeah, I thought I've done it right. Right, let's just see how this pack goes. Alright, ultra rare, secret rare. Sorry, my mistake. The last one is a secret rare. Alright. We got here RGB Rainbowlution. Why is this so blurred? Hold on a second, I have to check my focus on the camera. Better? No. Getting worse. This is much better. Alright. RGB Rainbowlution. Secret rare. Woo! 2 secret rares. And everything else are ultra rares, like I said. Alright. In that case, last card is the hit of the pack. Then we'll keep it like this. Performable Budakaribo. Alright, number 65. Alright, we got. Oh, holy moly. Dark Magician, the Knight of Dragon Magic. What the hell? Look at this card. Woohoo! Beautiful fusion card. Let's go. It's a secret rare, but this is nice looking. Nice. Take it. Take this one. Yes, baby. It's starting good off the bat, I have to say. It's really starting good off the bat. The magician, dark magician, the knight of dragon. Magic. Yes, I love it. Alright, card mantis, let's keep going. Ultra rare. Battlefield Tragedy. Ooh, nice spell card. I love the glitter shiny in the back, my lord. Like I said, this set is pretty expensive, but I got mine from TCG Games, which is my partner. Link in the description down below. Go check him out. He is selling everything. If you're looking for Yu-Gi-Oh, if you're looking for Dragon Ball, if you're looking for Pokemon or single cards, he has it. Go check him out. He's a good man. And then we got Assault Synchron. Next secret rare. Alright, here we go. Yeah, if you have bought also this set, despite my warning that is pretty expensive, let me know in the comment section below which card or which favorite cards do you have on this set, if you have favorite card on this set, or if you have pulled a Starlight rare. Let me know in the comment section below and then we can discuss together about it. Next one, Sky Striker, Mobilize, Engage. This is from this card you can also have the chance to pull it on Starlight rare, but secret rare is also fine. That's fine. Take it. Thank you. Alright, next one. I hope we can pull a Starlight rare. That would be great. That would be absolutely great, guys. Kittycorn, don't sleep, the dogs of war. Don't sleep, don't slip. Sorry, wrong pronouncement. And ooh, super polymerization on secret rare. This is also a nice, powerful spell card. I have it. At least every fusion deck, or if you have fusion monsters, or talking about fusion, you need to have this card in your deck. This is absolutely nice. Take it. Take it with gratitude. Alright. One. Now what we got here? Mother Spider Splitter, Promotion, Ghost Lancer, Performal Old Eyes, and Madolch Queen Tiramisu. Oh, sorry. Did I take this? Tiramisu? Yeah, tiramisu. No, tiramisu. Alright. Woo! This is an Xyz monster, as you can see. Madolch Queen. Alright. A lot of secret rares, a lot of shining cards in this beautiful box, guys. Like I said, it's expensive, but if you have luck, it's worth it. So. Alright, let's keep going. Yes, this goddamn spider, I have seen it now a few times. Sprite Smasher, and we got IP Masquerina in secret rare. Nice addition to my collection. I take this one. Thank you. Hope for a Starlight rare in this one. So I really hope. Really pray to God that we can pull a Starlight rare in here. That would be amazing. Akitama. Nightmare Corruptor. Nightmare Corruptor, alright. Nice. What are these? Spotlights? Are you a star or something? Alright, take it. Nice. Guys, so much secret rares. I love it. I love it. Not a lot of them have a lot of worth money, but if you have luck and pull the right one, you can do pretty good cash in here. Alright, promotion 1, volcanic shell, Rose Shaman, and the secret rare is Radan the O's Giant? What the hell is this? Xyz Pendulum? Xyz Pendulum? Xyz for summoning is hard enough, but Xyz Pendulum? I don't give a damn about Pendulum, but weird looking monster. It's like it looks like a wave snow monster. This is not a Starlight Rare, alright? No. I thought from the shining of the card it could be a Starlight Rare, but it's not. No, it's not. It's a normal secret rare. Sweat my pants. Every day, every night. I got some music in my head. Alright, let's keep going. Punk card, nobody cares. Xyz, Bento, Praying Mantis, Puppet Pawn, and Herald of Herald of Pure Light is here. There are a lot of Xyz secret rares monster in here. Like I said, it's a reprint set, so I think a few or most of the cards you have already seen in other sets or in my other openings maybe, but yeah, this is the downside of these reprint sets. But it's 25th anniversary of Konami, so they hitting everything out. Link decoder and Golden Rule secret rare. I have a lot of these Crystal Beasts cards in my collection, but this is a nice addition to it. Nice, Golden Rule, take this one. Thank you very much. Alright, next one. I don't know why I'm always singing this John Cena theme. I have day and night in my head. I don't know why. It's just a nice song. Black Mamba. Another Punk, Marvel Cosmos, and Danger Nessie. Alright, here we go. I have a few Danger monsters in my collection, I think, but they are not secret rare. I think they are ultra rares, most of them. But alright, Danger Nessie, secret rare. Welcome to my collection. Next one. After this pack, we're going to check how many we have left, because I think we have to have already through. Alright, Black Mamba. Numbers, Last Hope, and Synchro Zone. Alright. Trip card. This is the second secret rare trap card we have pulled here. They're not that much, but yeah, there are a lot you have to cover. Spell cards, trap cards, Xyz, fusion, normal, effect monsters. Alright. Puppet Rook. Yeah! Figaro. Lamia promotion again, and this is also a nice one. Mysterion to Dragon Crown. This is again a fusion mod, another fusion mod. Oh, these fusion monsters are looking sick. These fusion monsters nowadays are looking sick, guys. No joke. No freaking joke. These are looking fantastic, I have to say. Really. Okay, on the fusion monster design, Konami has done a pretty good job. That you can't complain about it. Alright, but oh, I'm sorry guys, I've missed the count. Alright. I'm sorry. Let's check real quick what we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8th one. 8 packs left and still no Starlight Rare from the 25th anniversary edition. Yeah. Oh, come on. Not on this one. Not on this set, please. Why? You're joking. Come on, look at this. This is exactly what I mean. Why are you giving me always the same card twice in high rarity? Why? Why? This is not fair, Konami. Really, this is really not fair. It's really not.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Why though? This card is good, it's great, but oh please. Why always me? I can't have this bad luck on display opening. Why? In the meantime, it doesn't matter if it's Dragon Ball, if it's Pokemon, if it's Yu-Gi-Oh. I'm always, if the rarity is high, I'm always pulling the card, at least one card 2 times. This is it's an auction. It's going on my nerves. I'm sorry, guys. I have to pet it out right now. Alright, here we go. A no punk ogre dance secret rare. Alright. You can get a lot of this box, but don't give me a card. This is the worst part of it. The secret rare twice the same. Why? Why? Listen, guys. In every opening video, I'm telling you. In every video, I'm telling you the pull rates are crap. You can find 100 other words, but the pull rates are crap. You can pull nothing, but then you can also pull, if you're pulling something good, you're pulling it twice. Why? Nobody understands why. Okay, what we got here? Welcome Labyrinth and Spelltrap secret rare. Alright. At least the secret rares are looking fine, but I hate it. I hate it. Alright, how we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. 5 packs left. No Starlight Rare in sight. Finger crossed. Let's go. Again, Bestial, Bolt Drake. Final Cross again. Baby Spider. Yee. We got Dark Hole in secret rare. See, but this is what I mean. No secret rare has been pulled twice until this IP Masquerena card. This is the minimum that you can ask for, but no. ATP, you suck. You get the card twice and no Starlight Rare. Alright. Praying Mantis. Mention of Fissure? Yeah, Fissure. Sakidama, I've seen you. A Shadow Light. This is also a card I've not seen so much in the last few openings I've done. I haven't pulled it, so Shadow Light, secret rare. Nice spell card. Take it. Don't think I have this. I haven't pulled this. No. Let me real quick check. No. Please don't do that. No. Polymerizations. No. Oh. I'm so done, guys, with this The fact it's just it's here. It's just here. All right. We have only, oh my god, 2 packs left. This is the third one. Oh, no Starlight Rare. Till now. Oh my young. Oh my god, again, baby spider, don't slip again. And we got a Book of Eclipse. Another secret rare spell card. Nice. This is the thing if you play Magicians? No, it doesn't matter. It's just a nice looking card. Book of Eclipse. Alright guys, we are almost at the end. These two are the last two packs. I hope, pray to God, please. We got for sure 2 secret rares, but be at least one of these be a Starlight Rare. That would be phenomenal. Absolutely high ending on this one. Guard Mantis again. Now you've got a Sog. Why?
Tell me why ain't nothing but a party. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking.
Can't be serious, man. You can't. You just can't be. Oh, please. Again. Complaining, too much complaining. ATB, you're complaining, and now Jesus responds. Jesus and God responds, and they give you this. This is for you. Take it or leave it. We don't care.
It's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a
This is what I mean, guys. See?
standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break.
Last pack magic.
I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot.
Last pack magic. Come on.
I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We
Don't let me down. Come on, please don't let me down. Last one, guys. Alright. Arms Regeneration. Aratama. Ghost Sleeper. Last one. Last one. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Skipped.
Emotional damage.
This is the first time happening in front of camera, guys. Look. This is my luck. Look, this is my luck, guys. This is my kind of luck. See, look at this. Look. If you don't believe me, now you believe me. 1, 2. Imagine I could have a chance to pull one different Starlight, one secret rare, second different secret rare, or third different secret rare. No, my luck decided to give me 3 times the same. Sorry for cussing.
This society is really trying me. Ain't no hiding and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all
Okay.
too loud, you don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface.
Good guys.
World honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Start reversing.
What I want to say is we are at the end of this video. The box is empty. We are going to check right now all the secret. The ultra rares I'm not going to show you because it would take way too much time. Let's just check the secret rares real quick. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Okay, here we go. All right, this one. Yes. It's okay. No starlight rare. This is one of my favorites. You know, this also very nice card. Okay. Super. I think this is probably the big hit of the box. I think. Yes. The Dark Magician also good one. This is also a good one. Alright, terraforming and effective and simple, but also very nice, very good. Guys, yes, I have no words left, and see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it so far, and yep, I'm desperate at this point right now. Don't get me wrong. I'm really sorry. Don't get me wrong. I'm enjoying doing all this content for you and opening with you together. But sometimes, when such things happen, sometimes it gets me really hard. So please understand. And yes, I hope I have more luck in the next opening. The next opening will be, let me think, the 25th anniversary tin box, I think, with the mega packs. Yes, I've bought 4 tins, so in each tin you have 3 mega packs and 1 promotion 25th anniversary Starlight Rare. So I plan to split it up in 2 videos. We open 2 tins, and then next week we are going to open the other 2 tins. So this is the plan, and yeah, stay tuned. More videos are coming, guys. Thank you for supporting me again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. You know that. If you'd like to see more of my content, hit the subscribe, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and like I said, if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button too. Alright guys, with that said, I wish you a good day, a good night, and see you on the next one. Bye.